Namaste. How are you all today? My name is Sneha Mishra and we are going to start today our topic Sarvnaam, pronoun. I hope you have watched my previous video, noun, complete and detailed video, okay? So let's begin with pronoun, what it means. Sarv plus naam. Sarv means everyone and name means names, which can take or which can replace on everyone's name, that call सर्वनाम, जो सबके नाम को बदल सकता है. ओके, दैट्स कॉल्ड सर्वनाम. सो सर्व प्लस नाम मतलब सबके लिए नाम. व्हाट इज अ ट्रेडिशनल डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट? संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयुक्त होने वाले शब्दों को सर्वनाम कहते हैं. द वर्ड विच कम्स ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन, दैट्स कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन. सो मूल सर्वनाम, मूल मीन्स दे आर मेन प्रोनाउन. द मेन सर्वनाम जो है दे आर टोटल 11. व्हाट आर दोज? मैं, तुम, आप, यह, वह, जो, सो, कौन, क्या, कोई, कुछ. ओके, दीज आर मेन 11 pronouns and based on this we are going to see the types of pronoun today. Okay, सर्वनाम के प्रकार. We have 6 type of pronoun which is purushvachak, personal noun pronoun, निश्चयवाचक, demonstrative pronoun, अनिश्चयवाचक, indefinite pronoun, संबंधवाचक, relative pronoun, प्रश्नवाचक, interrogative pronoun and निजवाचक, reflexive pronoun. But before we begin one by one with all these 6 explanation, there are some few points which you should know about pronoun or sarvnaam. Okay, so in this video again and again, instead of saying pronoun, I will say sarvnaam. So it you should remember, because at the end you are learning Hindi only, right? So you should remember the words. So purushvachak, निश्चयवाचक, अनिश्चय, संबंध, प्रश्न and निजवाचक. There are 6 types total. Okay, so now see, point to remember, एक ही सर्वनाम शब्द सभी संज्ञा शब्दों, okay, except this भाववाचक के लिए प्रयोग किया जा सकता है. Only one सर्वनाम can come all the noun, all the places of noun except the भाववाचक संज्ञा. Okay, how? राहुल मेरा मित्र है, वह बहुत होशियार है. Now मेरे पास एक बिल्ली है, वह सफेद रंग की है. मुंबई महाराष्ट्र की राजधानी है, वह बहुत भीड़ भाड़ वाला शहर है, एंड सो ऑन. ओके, नाउ अनदर पॉइंट, द नाउन the pronoun means सर्वनाम. We use same for the striling and pulling. For example, वह आ रहा है या वह आ रही है. As per the ending of sentence, we come to know whether it is a purush ling or striling, means whether it is a male or female. Okay. Another, there are the changes in numbers also, vachan also in pronoun means sarvnaam. Like मैं का हम, वह का वे. Okay, और तुम का तुम सब या आप सब. Okay, so there are vachan changes also in this. Okay, so now we are going to begin with one by one. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम. Okay, so what are these? जिन सर्वनाम शब्दों से वक्ता मीन्स द स्पीकर, अपने लिए सुनने वाले मीन्स द लिसनर के लिए, तथा अन्य किसी मीन्स द थर्ड पर्सन के लिए प्रयोग करता है. द पुरुषवाचक मीन्स those pronoun words which speaker is using for himself, for the second person, the listener, and the third person, okay, who is not there. So those words come under the purushvachak. There are also 3 subtype of the purushvachak. Pratham purush, first person, madhyam purush, second person, and the anya purush, third person. So here are the examples like word मैं, हम, मेरा, मुझे, मैंने. Okay, where the speaker is using these words for him or herself. मुझे भोजन चाहिए, I need a food. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, I am going home. Now मध्यम पुरुष, the second person, आप, आपका, तुम, तेरा, तुम्हारा. आप अंदर आइए, you please come inside. तुम्हारा सामान कहाँ है, where are your goods or where are your things. Then अन्य पुरुष, वे, उन्हें, उन्होंने, उसे और वह, means the person is not physically available but we are talking about that person. Okay, So उसने आपके विषय में बात की. The person was talking about you. He was talking about you. वे सब चले गए. They all gone. Okay, they all have gone. So this is just very simple purushvachak where we use the common noun. Okay, when we talk about any smaller grade, not noun, Sarvnaam. When we talk about any smaller grade, okay, give us some examples of pronoun. Basically they will use these words only. Okay, not about all other different 5 type of pronoun. So these are the pronoun which almost everyone knows. Okay, so let's check our next pronoun, which is a nishchay vachak sarvnaam. Means surety, where you have a surety about certain things, that will come under nishchay vachak sarvnaam. Okay, where you point out of something, where you tell about something which you can see clearly. Okay, that will come under nishchay vachak. So what are the definition of it? जिन शब्दों से पास या किसी दूर की वस्तु, the words which tell you about anything which is kept little closer, which is little far, okay, about those things, they point it out. Okay, so उन शब्दों को निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. So those word call as a निश्चयवाचक, because we are pointing it out means संकेत कर रहे हैं, sign दे रहे हैं, so they call as संकेतवाचक सर्वनाम also. Okay, so what are these examples? ये, वे, यह, वह, इसी, उसी, यही, वही. These all words will come under निश्चयवाचक और demonstrative pronoun. Okay, example, यह मेरी पेंसिल है. So this is my marker. यह मेरा marker है. So यह, I am pointing out this pencil. Okay, then यह मीना की ड्रेस है. Now this dress belongs to whom? To Meena. वही मेरा मित्र है. Here we can see the person is standing little far. Okay, here we are saying he is my friend. Okay, वही मेरा मित्र है. Now इसी खिलाड़ी ने निशाना लगाया. This is the player who shoots. Okay, who achieved the target, whatever we can say. Okay, so here you can see, here we are pointing out, here this yah is saying to the pencil, this yah is for the Meena's dress, and here wahi, the little far, about the friends. Okay, so where you are pointing it out something and where you are sure about this thing, हाँ ये मेरा बोर्ड है, yes ये मेरा ट्राइपॉड है, ये मेरा फोन है. Where we are telling about something, okay, and we are sure about something, that will come under निश्चयवाचक. निश्चय का मतलब होता है श्योरिटी. ओके, निश्चित, हाँ मैं निश्चित आऊंगा, श्योरली आई विल कम. ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट विल कम अंडर अनिश्चयवाचक. डेफिनेटली इट शुड बी अपोजिट ऑफ इट, राइट? निश्चयवाचक. ओके, द थिंग वेयर यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट. ओके, अनिश्चय, अनिश्चित है चीजें जहां पे आपको उसकी श्योरिटी नहीं है. So what are the definition? What is the definition of it? जिन सर्वनाम शब्दों से किसी निश्चित means any proper, okay, वस्तु या पदार्थ का बोध नहीं होता है, where you are not sure about the things, about the person, about anything, that all words or all pronoun will come under अनिश्चयवाचक. Okay, so what are like किसी, कोई, कुछ. Okay, these. Let's see an example. बाहर कोई खड़ा है. There's someone outside. Okay, मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला. I did not get anything. किसी ने मुझे, one is किसी ने मुझे फोन किया, पता नहीं कौन था. Someone called me, I don't know who was he or she. दूध में कुछ गिरा है. There's something inside the milk. Okay, so you will see in these all sentences are not giving you a clear meaning or clear answer. Similarly, when we see in निश्चयवाचक, you will, whatever question you will get, you will ask, question will be, answer will be clear. How? वहां कौन खड़ा है? वह मेरा मित्र है. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या रखा है? यह मेरा पेन है. Okay, but here बाहर कौन खड़ा है? बाहर कोई खड़ा है. Where you are not getting your 100% answer, you can consider it as a अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. Where everything is clear and sure, that will come under निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. Okay. Now, so our fourth type is a संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम. So you know by name, संबंध means relation, which shows relation of pronoun with a noun or pronoun in the same sentence. Okay. So जो सर्वनाम शब्द वाक्यों में, वाक्य मीन्स इन द सेंटेंस, आए अन्य संज्ञा या सर्वनाम. The sentence, in the sentence, if any other noun or pronoun is there which shows relation between this pronoun, they will call as a sambandhvachak. Means the word which shows relation of noun and pronoun in between the sentence, those type of words called sambandhvachak pronoun. Okay, sambandhvachak sarvnaam. जैसे कि what are the examples of it? जिसकी, उसकी, जिसने, उसने, जो, सो, जैसा, वैसा, जहां, वहां. Okay, so wait, it is showing relation between two different sentences or two noun and pronoun together. Okay, let's take example. तुमने जो कार मांगी थी यह वही कार है. This is the same car which you have asked for. तुम जो बोलोगे मैं वैसा करूंगा. I will do the same thing whatever you will ask. So here both this sentence we can say it is dependent on this and this is showing relation. Okay, so here तुमने is showing relation between this pronoun. Okay, so here you can say again तुम is showing relation between मैं. Okay, so here we can see the relation. Okay, and here we can see the relation of it. Okay, so sambandhvachak which shows relation of between two noun or pronoun together is a prashnvachak sarvnaam. Okay, the prashn, by word we can clear it. The prashn means when you are asking some question. Okay, how? जो सर्वनाम शब्द प्रश्न पूछने के लिए प्रयोग किए जाते हैं, the pronoun words which are used for asking a questions, they will call as a prashnvachak sarvnaam. What are these? Like किसका, कौन, किसने, क्या, किसे और कहाँ. Okay, these are the words which we use to ask any question. Let's say example as a sentence. तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you studying? Okay, or what are you reading? यह पुस्तक किसकी है? Whose book is this? तुम यहाँ कब आए? When did you come here? So here everywhere will come at the end question mark. Okay, because we are asking a question here, right? So please always remember whenever you find like this किसका, कौन, किसने, क्या, किसे, कहाँ and at the end question marks in the sentence, so it means that is a prashnvachak sarvnaam. Nijvachak means reflexive noun or pronoun. So what is this? Nij, by word it is clear. Nij means something which belongs to you, to me or someone. Okay, nij मतलब होता है मेरा खुद का, अपना. So what are these words? How and what's the definition of it? Like जो सर्वनाम शब्द तीनों पुरुष. Do you remember the purush when we are learning purushvachak sarvnaam? When I explain, I said there are three type of purushvachak sarvnaam. First person मतलब उत्तम पुरुष या प्रथम पुरुष means the speaker. Second person means madhyam purush or the listener, and अन्य पुरुष means third person to whom we are talking about. Okay, so all these three type will come in nijvachak also. How? जो सर्वनाम शब्द तीनों पुरुष प्रथम, मध्यम, अन्य में अपना होने की अवस्था या भाव बताता है, which tells about the feeling of something which belongs to you or something which you want to do by yourself. Okay, those all kind of words will come under nijvachak sarvnaam. How? Swayam, khud, apne aap. Okay, we'll learn this word also. This is quite confusing when mostly students ask this question. First let's see this. मैं अपना गृह कार्य खुद करूंगी. I will do my homework by my own. वह स्वयं स्कूटी से घर आ जाती है. She comes by herself. Okay, to home by scooty. Now here you will see मैं अपना काम. So मैं is a first person, प्रथम पुरुष. Okay, I will do my work by myself. So first person here we are talking. वह means the third person we are saying. So she can come home by herself. Okay, so अब now see what is the difference between apne aap and aap. So if only the word is written aap, it will come under purushvachak second person, but if it is written apne aap, it will come under the nijvachak. Okay, and it can come in all the person, right? मैं अपने आप चली जाऊंगी, आप अपने आप चले जाओ, वो अपने आप चले गए होंगे. Okay, so it can come in any types. Okay, in the nijvachak, but in purushvachak it will come only and only for second person. Okay, so always see when they both come together, it means they are nijvachak. When only the aap is coming, it is a purushvachak second person noun. So I hope we are clear with all the 6 types with detailed explanation, and there are some key points to remember. Just quickly let's see those things. Okay, so last part of our today's pronoun means Sarvnaam session is some points which you should know because they are quite confusing. For example, कुछ सर्वनाम शब्द एक से अधिक प्रकार means there are some or there are few pronoun words which come more than one types. Okay, more than one type में प्रयोग किए जाते हैं. उनके प्रयोग के आधार पर only after uses of them we can tell that they belongs to which type of Sarvnaam. So in short, it is saying there are few Sarvnaam which are used more than one type out of these 6 types. Okay. After uses of those words, after reading of those words only we can tell that Sarvnaam belongs to which types. Okay. For example, aap आइए. You please come. Okay. That is a Madhyam Purush. Okay. We talk about first type, purushvachak. So please come. Okay. You come. So that is a first type. But अपने आप चले जाओ, you go by yourself, that will come under निजवाचक. Okay, now वह मेरा मित्र है, निश्चयवाचक. और संकेतवाचक, where you pointing to someone, he is my friend. But वह खेल रहा होगा, he must be playing, that will come under अन्य पुरुष. Okay, first person पुरुषवाचक, third person. Okay, so I hope we have done all the minor detail in today's Sarvnaam topic. So thank you so much for today.